Today, let us start to practice drawing 2D objects in AutoCAD. I'll start by drawing this drawing here. So first, I'll start by drawing a circle 50mm diameter. So I'll select the center diameter option. Then I'll type in 50, press enter. And then I'll draw another circle of 80mm diameter from the same center point. So type in 80 and press enter. And finally, draw another circle of 114mm diameter from the same center point. So type in 114, press enter. Now let us draw a circle of 5mm radius at the topmost point on the 50mm circle. So in this case I'll select the center radius and I'll draw this circle at this point here. So type in 5 and press enter. Again, I will now draw 3 circles on the topmost point of the outermost circle. So the first circle has a radius of 7mm. So I'll draw this circle at this point here. So type in 7 and press enter. The second circle has a radius of 13mm. So in this case I'll type in 13 and press enter. And the third circle has a radius of 17mm. So type in 17 and press enter. Now let us apply the polar array command to all these circles. So I'll select the polar array. Then I'll select all these circles here in this one. Then press enter. After that, I'll specify this center point here to be the center point of my array. Now let us change the items count from 6 to 3. So type in 3 and press enter. Then I'll close the array. Now type in the command window line type and then press enter. As you can see, a line type manager dialog box appears. From that, select the load option, this one here. And as you can see again, you can see another dialog box appears. From that dialog box, scroll down until you find the line type written center to. This line here. So select it. And then click OK. Click OK again. Now, select the innermost and the outermost circles. This one here, and this circle here, and this one here. Now, go to the Properties panel and select on this by layer option. And then select the center to line type. After that, click on the down pointing arrow of the Properties panel, this one here. As you can see, we have the transparency option. So let us change the transparency value to 69. So I'll type in 69 and press enter. After that, click on escape. As you can see, we were able to apply the center to line option on the outermost and the innermost circles. And then we increased the transparency value to 69 to make these two circles appear faded. Now I'll draw a line from this point here on the 13mm radius up to this point. So from this point here up to this point, then press enter. Now I'll apply the mirror command. So select the mirror command, then select this line here, press enter. And I'll specify the first point of the mirror line from this point to this point. Click enter again. Now let us apply the polar array command to these two lines. So select the polar array command. Then I'll select these two lines and press enter. After that, I'll select this center point here to be the center point of my array. Now let us change the item count value from 6 to 3. So I'll type in 3 and press enter. And then I'll close the array. Now let us add the outermost lines. So select the line command. As you can see, the center snap option gets into my way, so I'll turn it off. Then I'll draw this line from here up to here. Press enter. I'll also draw another line from this point to this point. Press enter. And I'll draw the last line again from this point to this point. Press enter. Now let us trim all the parts that you don't need. So I'll select the trim command and press enter. So I'll start trimming. Also trim this one. And this one too. Now let us apply the fade and center lines. So I'll draw a line. Let us turn on the center snap option. So I'll draw a line from this point up to this point, and also draw another line, this one here. So now let us highlight these two lines by selecting them. After that, I go to the properties panel and click on the down pointing arrow on the by-ray option. After that, select the center 2 option. After that, click on the down pointing arrow again on the properties. Then change the transparency option to 69. So type in 69 and press enter. After that, click on escape. Also apply the faded circles of 17mm radius. So select the center radius option, and from this center point I will draw circles of 17mm radius. So type in 17 and press enter. After that, I'll apply the polar array command. So select the polar array command and then select this circle here and press enter. And then specify this point here to be your center point. Again, you have to change the items count from 6 to 3. So type in 3 and press enter. Then close the array. Now select these lines here, these circles. And now go to the properties panel and click on the down pointing arrow. And then from the transparency option, change the value from 0 to 69. So type in 69 and press enter. And then click escape. As you can see, we are done.